Namaste. Hello, my dear beautiful viewers. Thank you so very much for tuning in. This is Shivangsh. I welcome you all to my channel, Sync with the Universe. Today I'm going to do the reading for Virgos and we will see what messages we get from the universe. Alright, and I have been divinely guided to do this reading today, and I have this nudge to start my reading with Archangel Michael. It looks like that Archangel Michael has some messages for you to open this reading today, and that's how I have been guided. And if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Your one subscription is truly means a lot for me, guys. At this point of time, I'm really not working, and your one subscription can help me, all right, to make my bread and butter. Okay, so let's see, Virgo, what messages we get for you. All right, look at that. This card just jumped out and it just came on its position where it's supposed to be. All right, that's interesting. That's really truly interesting. So let's see, Virgos, what message we have for you. Energy healing work. All right, so let me read out this card to you, Virgos. Thank you for sending healing energy to me and through me, for my own blessings and for all those around me. Thank you for connecting me to loving and high integrity healers and teachers of energy healing modalities. How beautiful card is that? Right off the bat, when I see this card, Virgos, I feel that you are a person who really have some potential within you, which you are not sure of as of now. You don't know that you actually carry certain skills within you. Possibly you can turn out to be a Reiki energy healer, a distance energy healer. All right, I'll tell you about me, Virgos. When I started my spiritual awakening journey, through the dark night of the soul journey, I even did not know that I had such potential that today, after 3 years of my journey, I will become a tarot card reader. I will become a Reiki energy healer, a distance healer. All right. So this is what I'm trying to tell you, that some of you don't really know that you carry certain kind of skills, mastery within you. All right, and you are looking for some kind of guidance, and that's the reason you possibly have been directed to watch this reading. And with this one card only out here, which is very very prominent when it comes to energy healing work, that means your presence count. Every word that comes out of your mouth, every action that you put in, plays a big role in somebody else's life, including yours too, if that is making sense. Because when it comes to energy healing, it can be anything from fetching a glass of water to somebody, or somebody, just pampering somebody, or if somebody is in pain and you are just walking up to this person and asking that person, tapping on his or her shoulder, hey, do you need my help? You don't know how a healing can work, right? Healing can be in multiple ways, right? So I believe that somewhere you are lacking some kind of power within you when it comes to healing certain situations or energies around you. You get so much entangled into that kind of an energy where you lose your own power, knowing that you have the power to change certain situations around you, certain energies. If you feel that there is a negative energy, you have the power within you to make the changes. All right, that's what I feel. So let's see what comes around in our guardian angel deck. Okay, I would like to tell you, Virgos, it's time that you do some praying, some meditation. That's what I feel for you. All right, if you are hanging on to your past, it's time to let go of your past, because as long as you keep holding on to your past, you cannot be an energy healer. As long as you are holding on to those negative experiences that you have gone through, in your thought space you will be continuously releasing that negative energy, right? So what goes around comes around. So when you are sending across all the negative energies to the universe is multiplying and it is piling onto you. It is coming back to you fourfolded, right? But you need to know that if you are here in this human avatar, with these 5 elements that you have been created. It itself is a powerhouse, right? And if you don't listen to that powerhouse, all right, if you don't do things which is ethically, principally, morally correct, then you will not be able to be an energy healer, right? If you are in an angry state of mind, you will be throwing that anger to somebody else as well, right? Oh, you don't know, right? You don't know what I'm saying. You will think that you are the one, the best one. The other person is the fool, right? This is the kind of things that happen. It happened with me. I have also learned through life experiences, life lessons, life challenges, right? Because yes, we as a human being, we tend to have our ego, knowing that we know everything the other person don't know, right? Or we are the one who has gone through the pain of this world, other is not. But my dear Virgos, you don't know, right? You have not walked on other person's shoes, so you don't know from where the other person is coming, right? So we have no right whatsoever to judge anybody, right? So it is time that you need to let go of your past, all right? Bring some tranquility, peace within your mind, so that you speak good, do good, all right? Your presence create a difference in somebody else's life. That's what this card says. It's time for your own blessings, and for the people around you. You need to be in this energy of healing work, right? So that's what the message I get from Archangel Michael. I was just going by the downloads that I was getting from the universe, all right? Somebody needed to hear that. Okay, these 2 cards, they don't want to separate each other. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You are getting stuck, sticky. You are not trying to release, let go of certain patterns of you living your life. That's why very stubborn, not ready to come out of the deck, right? So let's see what this card has to say. There's nothing to worry about. Absolutely. You are safe, and this situation is under the perfect control of divine providence and universal order. Only infuse loving thoughts and emotions into the situation to ensure that the highest possible outcome flows effortlessly to and through you. What did I say? To and through you. Energy healing work. To and through you, right? This is what such a beautiful thing. If you are worrying about certain things, you don't have to worry, because the universe has your back. Divine has your back. Divine is just giving you the nudge to do the things which is ethically, principally, morally correct, right? Letting go of your past, getting out of that stagnant mental space of your life, right? Come out of that mental body, all right? Try to change your thought perception so that you can release some positive energies from within you, all right, to create a better atmosphere, to create a better life for yourself. And the universe is saying, I'm so sorry, you see. Did you see that? I really have done nothing, and this camera, it just jumped out. This is what I'm saying, my dear beautiful Virgos. Your energy is very, very disturbed. All right, and a disturbing energy can create only disturbance around in their surroundings, for themselves and as well as people around them. Very restless, very, very challenging, demanding, and very, very I don't know from where all this coming. Please excuse me, but I'm just going by the nudge. Somebody needs to hear this. It is coming from a perspective of I, me, myself, where you are thinking that your pain is the biggest one, where you are thinking that you are the one who felt like crucified, executed, prosecuted, all right? But trust me, a person like the Virgos are generally, they are the perfectionist, right? They tend to do things perfectly. So you need to, be flexible at times. I understand, you having that kind of an personality within you, certain characteristics, some certain traits within you. You cannot expect the other person to be perfect like you do, right? Sometimes you need to be flexible, for others' happiness as well, right? This is what I'm trying to tell you. I don't know from where this energy is coming. I don't know from where I got this nudge. It's just that somebody needed to hear. So let's see what Osho Zen Tarot has for you. And this card just jumped out, you know. So let me see. I would like to take both of these cards for you. Generally, I'm taking just one card, but for you, I want to take two of these cards. Look at this. Look at this, Virgos. Consciousness and moment to moment. I mean, what more validation you need in order to move forward? But I would definitely like to see what my tarot cards has to say. You know, you are having big fight as far as it comes to consciousness, you know. Your spiritual belief system, your thought patterns. You need to change your consciousness, you know, your way of thinking, perceiving things, all right, your way of seeing your surrounding, all right. And that can be done moment to moment, step by step, one after the other, right? I really don't know. I mean, this is something like, you see this card, Nine of Swords. It's paranoia, right? If you keep vibing in this kind of an energy where you are worrying a lot, you know, and you are releasing those old sad belief system patterns of doing the things over and over again, you know, there only you can create this kind of tension, stress, paranoia state of mind for yourself, where you will feel like you are not able to balance your life. You know, you will keep juggling in your life, right? So universe is saying it's high time to tap into your consciousness, do some meditation, because you are an energy healer, all right? You have certain divine gifts and powers within you, where your smile can create a difference, where your being there can create a difference, all right? But right at this point of time, if you are vibing in this kind of an energy where, you know, you're hanging on to your past, you know, not letting go, not trying to be flexible, not trying to make those changes in your life consciously, then I would like to tell you that you are absolutely blocking a lot of you know, growth in your life, all right? Or you can create only challenges. You see, that's such beautiful Ace of Wands. Yeah, that's what I say. You are blocking a lot of abundance in your life, and that's when I saw this Ace of Wands, right? So let's see what universe has for you, what my tarot card has to say. Carrying a lot of burden. I can see Tower. You see, burden, carrying a lot of burden in your shoulder. Three of Cups and Queen of Cups. All right, that's a good sign. Your energy is really restless. You see, my camera, my light, everything is falling out, you know. Everything is falling out, trust me. Okay, so these cards are good to see on this side. I'm happy to see these cards on this side, to be honest, Virgos. Let me tell you. Okay, I just wanted to rearrange and you know, refocus on this card. What I feel is that with the kind of the narration that I gave, the kind of thought patterns that you are in, blocked in your consciousness, not awakening to your truth, not seeing your true authentic self, not seeing your potential, not standing up to your integrity, all right, has created a lot of burden for yourself. You thought that somebody from around has created this burden for you, but fact of the matter is, my dear beautiful Virgos, you have created this kind of an energy for yourself, where you are absolutely feeling drained out, completely burdened, right? But follow to these two cards. I'm very positive that as you start to see the higher self within you, the consciousness, when you tap into your soul power, when you get into your soul DNA, all right, you tap into that consciousness, right, step by step, when you take those baby steps, knowing that universe has your back, divine has your back, there is nothing to worry about, knowing that you have some kind of skills, potential within you. When you start to do some prayers, meditations, some kind of energy healing, changing your perception, trying to go within, reflect within, what is creating that kind of a situation for you. Every step of the way, every thoughts, every actions that you put in, moment to moment, step by step, when you tap into that consciousness, that's when burden in this way, it's like you are releasing that. This way, you are absolutely kind of not able to carry, but on this side, you are absolutely there, about to reach your destination, and soon this burden will be lifted off your shoulder. But if you want this energy to be lifted off your shoulder, you have to put in some work, right? You cannot spend the life complaining. This happened, that happened, this is like this person is like this, right? You cannot, my dear beautiful Virgos. You definitely cannot. All right. So now it's time that to release that burden. Show your gratitude for small things that you have. This way, Three of Cups is you are filled with emotions, truth within you. You are seeing the divine light within you, and you are showing your gratitude to the universe that, hey, this is my Ace of Cups for you, universe, for bringing every joy, abundance, blessings into my life, right? For every little thing that I have, even the challenges that I'm facing right now, I'm grateful to you for those experiences that you brought into my life, because that has made me a strong human being, a more wonderful human being, that has brought out the better version of myself, what I used to be and who I am today. This is beautiful card in this way, where you are showing your gratitude to the universe for your existence, all right? And that's what is the job of an energy healer, right? That's what is the job of an energy healer, of a person who has a higher consciousness, right? So this is beautiful. I'm happy to see that this was not this side where you are not, you are absolutely, completely, drunk, doing everything that is not supposed to be done. You are like just, enjoying your life, head over heel, not knowing what is right and what is wrong. All right. It's like you are not seeing the better picture of your life, better version of yourself. But this way, you are absolutely seeing, absolutely seeing who you are. There is nobody to bother you, disturb you, come into your territory, all right? It's all about you and the divine, the higher source, right? That means there's nothing to worry about, means you are showing your grace and gratitude to the universe for all the blessings that you have got in your life, all right? Trust me, Virgo, if you are vibing in this kind of an energy, or within a month or so, or 3 weeks, 3 days, or maybe 3 months, something major may transpire in your life. And if you are seeing a lot of 1, 2, 3, if you see this is a sequence of 1, 2, 3, right? So that's a confirmation for you. If you're seeing a lot of 1, 2, 3, that's a progressive number, right? 1 is a full of burden. All right, 10 is a completion. You are completing certain cycles in your life. 2, you have taken those small baby steps to enhance your life, to empower your life, being that master of your own crafts, your skills, right? You try to change yourself, right? You have not tried to manipulate a situation. You have not tried to tell other what to do and what not. You have worked on yourself. When you have worked on yourself step by step, that's when you have come full power within you to see who you are, all right? What are your powers? And when you come to this self-realization, you get that sudden epiphanies that, okay, now I see why certain things happen the way it happened. And thank you, God, for bringing me here. And, I'm showing my grace and gratitude to you. Here is my cup of emotions. And you see, when you do that, you come in your full power of becoming a Queen of Cups. Wow. Wow. I mean, come on. I mean, really, even though the cards are not that good, but the energy that I felt from these cards were a lot of, I, me, myself kind of an energy, which is selfish in a way. But yes, we tend to get into that kind of mental space where, you think that I need to be selfish, but you will have to see two sides of the coin, all right? What kind of a role that you are playing in somebody else's life, what brought you to this kind of an emotion where you are thinking like that, all right? where you are losing your crafts, your skills, your talents in some way, shape, or form, where you have forgot to show your grace and gratitude to the higher source who created you. All right. And coming into this Queen of Cups, all right, when you balance this energy within you, all right, through meditation, prayers, from grounding exercises, that's when you come in this power of tapping into that power of intuition, gut feelings, sense of existence, that yes, you also count, but you don't have to prove yourself that you exist to somebody else. You are content within. You are feeling harmonious within. You are feeling tranquility within. You are feeling that equilibrium in your life, right? And that can come only when you show your grace and gratitude from this to this. That can happen only when you show your grace and gratitude for every little thing that you have in your life. Instead of complaining, you start counting your blessings, right? Because at this point of time, with whatever is going on around the globe, yes, there are situations where people are only complaining, right? Absolutely. People are losing their job. They cannot go out of their house. Relationships are scattered here and there. They cannot meet their loved one. All right. So there are so many things going on. But despite all odds, you are alive today. Isn't that a blessing? Think about it, right? If you have a smartphone, and even if you are watching this reading today, that means you are a blessed person, right? So count your blessings in this way, my dear beautiful Virgos, all right? Life has offered you a lot, all right? Know this, okay? So let's see what my small magic card has to say. I don't know, I got a lot of download, and my Kundalini is really, really shaken to its core, and I'm feeling so really drained out, to be honest, But I'm happy with these two cards. You need to see again. Everything is just, I have done so many readings now, Virgo. My camera, my light did not acted like this, this weird. All right. Somebody seems to be very angry hearing me out. Somebody is possibly getting very restless, but calm down, calm your mind. All right, go within, listen to your higher self. And if I'll tell you one thing, Virgos, whatever you are hearing is, that means you are divinely guided to watch this reading today, and nothing in this universe is a coincidence. I don't believe in coincidence, and a spiritual being who sees tarot card reading, they know that nothing in this universe is a coincidence. If you are divinely guided to watch this reading, there has been some message for you which you need to take, implement in your life, and enhance your life, empower your life, remodify, redefine your life than who used to be, than to who you are today. The better version of yourself, the better version of yourself. Keep working on yourself. Bring out the better version of yourself. Be that energy healer where your presence counts to others, right? Every karma that you put in counts, all right? So that's what I would like to tell you. Please take whatever resonates for you and leave the rest, all right? There is nothing to worry about. That's what the universe has for you. And universe is nudging you to know your power, all right? Get into that higher consciousness of yours, all right? If you're seeing a lot of Buddha statue lately, then that's a confirmation for you, all right? And if you're seeing a lot of water things lately, then that's a confirmation for you. And this is not a coincidence that I am doing a reading right next to my aquarium, and you can see this fish swimming out here such beautifully. You see, I will show you. Look at them. All right. So this is what I would like to tell you, my dear beautiful Virgos. Know this, you are a divine soul. You are a wonderful human being. If you have taken birth as in this human avatar, you are a blessed child, period. I got this magic card for you. Love charm, attract a lover, soulmate, or life partner. So with this Queen of Cups, I did felt like that. but I did not felt anything like kind of a relationship. But I believe once you come full cycle in your life, in these two energies of yours, that's when somebody new will enter into your life. You are going to attract some relationship, some lover, some soulmate type of connection, spiritual bond kind of connection, your soul tribe. You will be meeting your soul family, soul people, all right, who will touch your life in a beautiful way, who will bring a lot of healing to you, all right. You are already on the verge of getting some healing, all right, and just open your arms. Possibly something may major take place in the next 3 days, all right, 3 weeks, 3 months from now when you watch this reading, and it is very, very evident, and somebody needed to hear that. New love coming your way, possibly in the month of February. Next month this month we have Valentine Day coming in, right? So you can expect maybe new love entering your life. Somebody may be professing their love to you, all right, with this Ace of Cup. So held high with this Ace of Cup on this lady's lap. From here to here, I mean from 5D to 3D, something is going to get tangible in your life when it comes to love and relationship. Because with this magic card out here, this looks little, but this has a bigger impact, trust me. So love charm, you are going to attract a lover, a soulmate, or a life partner, a spiritual bond. Maybe you are going to meet like-minded people. Once you complete the cycle and coming in this full power of showing your grace and gratitude, coming in your power of knowing your true divinity, divine qualities, seeing your serenity within you, nurturing those qualities within you, becoming a Reiki energy healer, surrendering everything to the divine, that you are on the right path. That's when every burden will be lifted out. And that can be done only when you take steps little by little, step by step, all right? I hope this resonated with you, my dear beautiful Virgos. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Please do take whatever resonates for you and leave the rest. I know it was a bit of a harsh reading, but yeah, truth is always bitter, but take it with a pinch of salt, all right? And you will see, you will you will go through a metamorphosis of a beautiful, beautiful human being. Your better version of yourself than who you used to be to who you are today, all right? And I am really expecting some miracles coming your way, truly. I don't know why, but I really feel that some miracles coming your way. So I'm sending across much love and light to you all, my dear beautiful Virgos. I hope this reading resonated with you, all right? And please take whatever resonates for you and leave the rest, and keep implementing those good things into your life to enhance your life, to empower your life, to better your life, all right? So Om Namah Shivaya. Stay blessed.